So we are at scale, and I am one of the two co-founders of altM. My name is Apurv. We at altM convert agricultural residues like sugarcane bagasse, wheat straw, rice straw into biochemicals and biomaterials that then go to replace the incumbent materials that come from petrochemicals or mined or animal derived. So we help product partners like cosmetic companies, like construction companies to make low carbon footprint materials by providing them green uh, alternates for the current materials that they use. So over time, our process starts from making lignin, silica, and cellulose from agricultural residues, which then is upgraded into advanced materials. So here we have the rheology modifiers and that are going into the beauty and personal care industry, and we have bioadhesives that are going into the uh, MDF board wood construction industry today. And then we have all these future materials like biopolymers, biofabrics, bioleather, surfactants, exfoliants, composites, essentially things that are, like I said, leading us towards a bigger carbon footprint manufacturing and giving them an option to reduce the carbon footprint in their products. And at scale, we are looking for industrial partners, for manufacturers, equipment suppliers who will give us who will be able to partner with to build the production facility that we're building this year, and we'll be in production by end of this year. So looking forward to actively selling our materials to industries in 2024.